Hello, so this is a different video for a Saturday morning, but I'm giving it a go and hopefully you'll see it on a Saturday morning. These are the swaps I got while I'm on the incentive trip, so let's have a quick look. Sorry if they're shiny. I will do a proper show and tell when I get back, but for the moment you can have a look at these, but they are all in there shiny. So that's the first row. There are 25 in total, but it will give you an idea of what I got. Let's go back and down, and this is the last row. So very quick video from me this morning, but you know, needs must. This one's actually interactive, so this comes in and out, which is rather fun, and I have no idea who made this because they didn't put their name on it anywhere. In fact, there are a few that people just didn't put their names on. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that very quick peek, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.